Welcome. In this session, we learn how to generate tomorrow's date as a string in JavaScript. This is useful for scheduling tasks, setting deadlines, and other date-based operations. Let's get started. Our objective is to return tomorrow's date in the standard format. JavaScript's date object provides built-in methods to achieve this easily. This function gets today's date, increments it, and formats it into a string. If long is true, it appends a time component. The process is simple. We get today's date, add one day, and format the result into a clean string representation. This function correctly handles date transitions, including changes in month and year. Generating tomorrow's date is useful in many readable applications, from scheduling tasks to setting expiration dates dynamically. This technique is a simple yet powerful way to manipulate dates dynamically in JavaScript. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.